empty airport. Love flying when it's this empty. So Phoenix Airport is really busy. I think travel is back in the US. Tulsa, Oklahoma, here I am. Empty airport in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Here's the baggage claim. It's pretty darn empty. We're driving down Route 66. We're heading to the Route 66 village. There's the famous tallies on Route 66. We found the Route 66 stuff. Very cool. And of course it's raining on me. This used to be an old gas station. It's the Cosmic Curios. Got little memorabilia and stuff. Much smaller than I thought it would be. It's teeny. I made it to historical Route 66 village. This is one of the original oil towers. We made it to downtown Tulsa, yay! And it poured on us for a little bit, but now it's kind of clearing a little bit, so off we go to see what this town has to offer.
The Blue Dome area is like real popular. There's like a lot of artist things down here, a lot of music.
Oh.
Yeah, this is kind of the arts district.
Look
at
at
this. Look
yep,
over here on this.
I got it. Yeah.
Get it? This is such a cool place.
I smelled barbecue like crazy.
Yeah, it's probably from the Blue Dome area. Okay.
Trouble, stay away from my door. Trouble, stay away from my door.
Oh, this is cool down here too.
In a quarter mile, turn right to stay on North Greenwood Avenue.
Don't come around no more.
Welcome to
Greenwood, right? That's where like Wall Street was. Yeah, it's very cool down here.
Never stay away.
Tulsa
Good
Massacre. There's a sign for it.
Never stay away from my home.
So this mural was painted to commemorate the big tragedy of the Tulsa Massacre. It destroyed Black Wall Street back in 1921. It just now became uncovered, and they're having actually legal action with some families after all these years. It was very well hidden. Quite a shame. It's really beautiful, and it's right on the edge of downtown. Thousands of people were victims of radical terror lynching. Oh my God, how horrible. Between 1877 and 1950. So this Greenwood Street was the Black Wall Street back in the day.
Really wealthy area.
This is downtown. I blinked my eyes and already went through it and I didn't even know. Now we're going through it again. Oh, look at that. Holy moly, that's cool. Oil man? He's way over here. Here's the famous oil man. Guess they're doing construction around him. We're at the gathering place. This is supposed to be the largest park in the United States, in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Beautiful. I can't believe all the rocks. I'm so surprised. That's the park we're thinking of, I think. Let's go in and see what's in here. So pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is called the Four Seasons Garden. Richard A. Wilford family. I suppose they donated it, maybe? I don't know. So we're cruising through this Oklahoma rock, and I'm flying solo without Tomas this trip, but I got my BFF with me who lives in Tulsa and is showing me around. Yay! It looks like slate. It's just beautiful. I mean, look at this. Wow. Oh my gosh, it goes on forever. Oh, and here's people's houses. I think this must be the way we can get into the park. I'd love to live near this park. Wow.
This rock is natural to Oklahoma.
Oh, that's what we're seeing on the front of the houses, the Oklahoma rock. It's just beautiful. And look at this place where we're just walking through all these rocks. This is so cool. Man, this place is really beautiful. That's a very pretty bridge. I love the way everything's made of wood. So pretty. Oh, so now we're going into the adventure playground, which I'm assuming is probably more for kids, but it looks really cool. Definitely bring your kids here because it's all free. This whole place, it's amazing. Is that? What do they do with this? Climb on it or? My assistant is holding my iPhone gimbal because my hubby's not around to do it. This is a zip line for kids. How cute is that? Oh my god. Oh, that's not a kid. I want to do it. What does that do? Make water come down? Oh, that's what they do. They slide down the slide. Super nice. Those are birds and you can't see them till you step back this far. How cool is that? This is a cool water park. Wow. How fun. Wow. How cute this is. The water starts here, and then they have this little stream area here, and it goes all the way up. And there's little places the kids can pump the water. Oh, fun. Well, you definitely stay cool in Tulsa, especially at this park. So beautiful, this place. Wow. Bridge to nowhere over there. So they got skateboard parks and everything here. It's really a great place. Oh, you can actually walk right down on the river. Oh, I think we were there earlier.
We were.
Yeah. We're leaving now and going back to the car park over this last little bridge, a little river. So we're back in the car and we are driving around to see the mansions that are around the outer city of Tulsa. And I just want you to know that it's really, really, really hot and humid here. That's why I look like this.
Head east on East 31st Street.
Oh, that's really pretty. I almost want